Hi everyone, I'm Gabby. I realized I forgot to film an intro for my video, so this is my intro. Today I'm going to teach you how to make fruit tart. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You can substitute half a cup of all-purpose flour with almond flour. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk the dry ingredients together. In a small bowl, add 2 large egg yolks. Then add 1 tablespoon of cold water. Whisk together. Cube 1 stick of cold unsalted butter. Add the butter to the dry ingredients. Rub the butter into the dry ingredients with your hands to create large, shaggy pieces of dough. The idea is to smash the butter into the flour, creating some pieces that are flat and thin and some that are large and irregular. Add the egg yolk mixture into the dough. Knead the dough in the bowl with your hands until it starts to come together. It will still look a little dry. If it looks too dry and doesn't come together, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, but only if needed. Turn the dough onto a work surface. Knead the dough for a few minutes. Next, divide the dough in half, stack one piece on top of the other, then press down firmly to smash both dough pieces together. Repeat several times until the dough is well combined. Next, lightly butter a 9-inch springform pan. Press the dough into the pan. Use a flat object to even the bottom of the crust. Using your fingers, push the dough half an inch up the sides of the pan. Next, prick the dough all over with a fork. Freeze until very firm for about 20 to 30 minutes. After freezing your crust, bake it until it is a deep golden brown all over for about 35 to 40 minutes. Let it cool. To make the custard, add 2 cups of milk to a medium saucepan. Next, add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk together and simmer over medium to high heat. In a medium bowl, add 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together. Start slowly, it won't want to combine easily at first. Then, vigorously whisk the mixture for about 1 minute. The mixture should lighten to a very pale yellow. Then, whisk the hot milk mixture into the egg mixture. Next, return the custard base to the same saucepan you used earlier. Heat over medium and bring to simmer. Whisk constantly until the mixture is thick for about 3 minutes. After removing from the heat, add 3 tablespoons of butter and whisk until incorporated. Add butter a couple pieces at a time. Next, transfer to a medium bowl. Then smooth the top of the custard with a spatula. Cover with plastic wrap by pressing directly against the surface of the custard. Let it cool. Once the crust and custard are cool, remove the plastic from the custard. Then vigorously mix the cooled custard until smooth and slightly loosened. After mixing the custard, spread it inside the cooled crust. Lastly, top the tart with any fruit of your choice. And that's how you make a homemade fresh fruit tart. And then lift it with this.
Pag may bakuna mo. Bloopers.